grease. Hey guys, it's Sean here from Engines and Elbow Grease. I'm doing a general housekeeping, lawn and garden, living off the land type video today. This winter was a very late winter. We had a lot of big storms late in the year. The last storm we had was between the first and second week of April. The plow guy I had, because I don't have a plow truck currently, got stuck in my driveway and did all kinds of damage to the driveway. I have a dirt driveway, so there's tons of just piles of dirt everywhere. Here, 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 there, here, along the side right there, plus all this stuff that's all been plowed out at the end of my driveway right here. And there's a huge dip, I don't know if you can tell. And here, and then the biggest one right there. I'm not giving my plow guy a hard time. He helped me out big time. Phenomenal dude. Just is what it is. You can't do anything when the ground's not frozen. Late snowstorm, big heavy truck, dirt driveway, that happens. So, I bought this. It is a 60-inch, I think it's a 60-inch. Might be a 72-inch. I cannot remember which one I got. It's a Vevor drag harrow. We're gonna set it up, put it together, and then we're gonna tow it behind my three-wheeler and see how well it does on this driveway. Do we need instructions? I don't think so. All right, well, I have it all built now, tightened down. I can put a couple cinder blocks there if I want, but I don't think I have any, so I'm gonna just do it unweighted for now. If we need more weight once we get into these dirt piles, I will figure something out or go get a couple cinder blocks. But let's fire this thing up and see how she works. Trying to work this spot down. fix and level the end of the driveway down there already, which is perfect. So. All right, so I've got it a lot better, but there's still some high spots on that mound. It's really hard packed. So I went and picked up a couple of cinder blocks, just a little bit extra weight. I was using that big rock, but it just kept falling through the middle. So I decided to get a couple cinder blocks like I should have. So we're gonna try to see if we can even out that hump right there. It's still very high right in the middle. Well, that looks pretty good to me. I might work on that spot a little bit more there. My driveway actually goes all the way back there, but I'm planning on just kind of leaving that as is. I might actually take some of that stuff and drag it up here to kind of end it more right here. And then that I'm going to turn into a shooting range down in there eventually. So, but yeah, looks pretty good. I got to even some of this out. I'm going to go and take the weight off of it. Take those cinder blocks off of the Harrow, but it looks so much better. And then I gotta clear over here because I'm gonna move my shed in there pretty soon. Pulled the cinder blocks off. I'm just gonna let this thing cool down a little bit. Don't get a lot of airflow over this, going at slow speeds like that. So it gets hot after a while, so I'm just letting it cool down here for a little bit since it's air cooled. Overall, very impressed. I paid like 80 bucks for this thing, and it's doing exactly what I needed it to do. So I really would have liked a DR power grader or something, but you know what? Who cares? I'm not going to spend the 1,600 bucks for one when $80. This will do just fine. Power grader would be faster, but I've done this in a few hours, so. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Appreciate it very much. Definitely recommend the Vevor drag Harrow. It's working great. The three-wheeler towed it no problem. So overall, very impressed. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you in the next one.